hello to the Braava mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. Braava automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. Braava uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. Braava is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. Braava features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and Braava uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and Braava uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, Braava traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. Braava is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, Braava and iRobot. Better together.
Get inspired to explore new culinary possibilities with Ninja Chef. The Ninja Chef features a 1500-watt advanced motor system, next-generation high-speed blade design, and Ninja's widest variable speed range, designed to power through tough ingredients and avoid bogging down. Choose from a menu of 10 chef-developed Auto IQ preset programs, or switch to manual mode for total variable speed control and customization with Ninja's widest variable speed range. From restaurant-style purees and salsas to smoothies, ice creams, frozen drinks, and even hot soups, Ninja Chef easily turns all your home-cooked inspiration into chef-quality results.
Quick math question for you. What do you get when you take our beautiful 300-watt 2-speed hand mixer, throw in a stainless steel chopper, add a 2.5 cup mixing bowl, a 24-ounce measuring cup, a stainless steel whisk, a comfortable handle, and you make it easy to use? Give up? You get breakfast. Ovente, defining houseware.